Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best pipe wrench that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DURATECH 3-piece heavy-duty aluminum pipe wrench set. The DURATECH 3-piece heavy-duty aluminum pipe wrench set comes with 3 sizes of wrenches, 10-inch, 14-inch, and 18-inch, that are nearly 40% lighter than steel models of the same size, providing considerable durability and ease of use. The drop-forged jaw is heat-treated to resist distortion or breakage, and the fully forged CRMO steel floating jaw allows for quick adjustments and provides outstanding strength. The ergonomic handle form has been designed for maximum comfort and won't dig into the palms, making it suitable for all pipe-related home improvement repairs that need a tight grip, such as gas tank repair or household plumbing. Furthermore, the pipe wrench has a non-stick knurled adjustment nut, self-cleaning threads, and easily replaceable hook jaw, heel jaw, and spring assembly. Moving on, at number 4, we have the RIDGID 3195 24-inch aluminum straight pipe wrench. The RIDGID 3195 24-inch aluminum straight pipe wrench is a durable and powerful tool that can accommodate all forms of pipework with a pipe capacity of 3 inches. Its full-floating forged alloy steel hook jaws provide maximum grip and quick ratcheting action during pipe adjustment jobs. The wrench features self-cleaning threads and easily replaceable hook jaws, heel jaws, and spring assemblies. Its sturdy aluminum construction and I-beam handle offer long-lasting strength and durability that can withstand heavy-duty and long-term use. Weighing only 6 lbs, it is nearly 40% lighter than comparable cast iron models of the same size, making it convenient and easy to use. At number 3, we have the Gisafai 6-pack pipe wrench set. The Gisafai pipe wrench set includes 6 wrenches of varying lengths, making it perfect for both small home repairs and larger industrial projects. The durable alloy carbon steel handles and strong jaws ensure a reliable grip, allowing you to tackle tough tasks with ease. Its practical design features a non-stick screw thread for quick adjustments to different pipe sizes, ensuring a secure hold every time. With a V-shaped mouth and waved teeth, you can confidently grip and manipulate pipes without slipping, enhancing both safety and efficiency during your work. At number 2, we have the VEVOR 24 aluminum pipe wrench. The VEVOR aluminum pipe wrench is designed for easy handling and efficiency. Its lightweight construction, being 40% lighter than steel wrenches, reduces fatigue during extended use. The durable head is made from CRV alloy, ensuring it withstands wear and tear over time. You will appreciate the easy adjustment feature, allowing you to quickly change the jaw size with a non-slip knurled nut, making it user-friendly for one-handed operation. Additionally, the ergonomic H-shaped handle provides excellent weight distribution, enabling you to work with increased torque without excessive strain. And finally, at number 1, we have the MAXPOWER 18-inch aluminum pipe wrench. The MAXPOWER 18-inch pipe wrench is a professional-grade plumbing wrench that is almost 40% lighter than steel models of the same size. Its aluminum construction offers comparable durability and ease of use, with an up to 2.5-inch jaw opening capacity. The non-stick adjustment nut and self-cleaning threads make for easy maintenance, with easily replaceable hook jaw, heel jaw, and spring assembly. The straight pipe wrench is suitable for all types of pipework, with an I-beam handle and a full floating forged and scaled hook jaw for superior gripping and quick adjustments. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.